Hi, I'm Joel Hicks, actor, model and studio owner. I've recently discovered ClickProp's backdrops and I'm here to show you today why they're the best and most innovative backdrops on the market. With so many different backdrop options on the market, why choose ClickProps? Well, with over 600 different designs, it allows photographers to provide a multi-set shooting experience for their clients. To solve the age-old problem of how to transport and store your backdrops, all our backdrops come with their own protective case. And it doesn't matter where you're at or what environment you're in, ClickProps backdrops allow you to take your studio anywhere.
Hi, I'm Stu Williamson, a fine art creative photographer. I'm an inventor, I'm an author. I'm really known as a sort of theatrical fine art photographer, hence my collaboration with Click Backdrops. I know they do over 600 different backgrounds. So the main thing is to find the background that suits your style. There's some great deals to be had, so look out for it.
With their packable design and portable construction, you can build lifelike sets in just minutes.
Hi, I'm Charlie Kaufman, CEO of ClickProps. Over the past 5 years, I've travelled to over 200 trade shows across the world and met photographers face to face, finding out exactly what they wanted a backdrop to be able to do. 8 different sizes, durable, protective case for storage, and we came up with ClickProps backdrops. Now manufacturing them from our purpose-built factory in Watford, Hertfordshire in the UK, we can turn around backdrops in under 24 hours and ship them worldwide, giving every photographer the opportunity of offering their clients a multi-shot shooting experience. And I forgot to tell you one last thing, and one of the most important selling points. They're wipe clean.
Take a look at these creative images from around the world using our backdrops. So you've seen how good our backdrops look on camera and you've seen the pride that we put into making them at our UK facility. Now we really need your support. If you'd like to get your hands on some of our backdrops, please follow our Indiegogo campaign below.